together. Oh no! What's happening to you? Why did you mix these chemicals? Come on!
Oh no, what happened?
Please open the door! Quick! Have the inhaler! Call 911!
Hello, 911? Ma'am, 911 is on the way.
Sir, can you help us?
I'm a first aid responder. I'm Guevarra.
What if I use these chemicals and mix them together? What? Don't mix that stuff! Mixing cleaning chemicals can lead to dangerous reaction. You could die from mixing chemicals. For kids, do not mix cleaning chemicals because it can produce toxic gases and it could cause immeasurable consequences. Remember to carefully read the instructions, ventilate the area when using such chemicals, store the chemicals separately, and properly dispose of the chemicals. Now listen to me very carefully. After using one cleaning chemical, be sure to finish it before reaching for another, okay? Your safety is not worth the risk.